Today I've earned some experience doing speed sensors on a 96 to 2003 Ford Escort. First thing you're going to want to do is get your tools. I recommend a flashlight, a 10mm wrench, a 13mm wrench, a 9mm socket, a 10mm socket, an extension, and a ratchet. First step you're going to want to take is removing the battery. I have already done that. There's my battery there. I needed a wrench to remove the terminals. Every car is different depending on your battery. Next, you're going to want to remove the battery box. There's going to be a bolt right here that holds the tie down, as well as 1, 2, 3 10mm screws that are holding this in place. Once you've got your battery cover off, it'll look like this, and then you're going to look right in here. And if you see, right there, that is your speed sensor. There is one 10mm screw that holds it in on the other side, and one plug, as you can see, that's the sensor actually right there, that it plugs into the top. Once you get it out, this is what it's going to look like. It's got a little spindle on top, and there would be the hole for the screw right there. This is the factory Ford sensor, so this one is probably past due for replacement. But yeah, it's not too bad. You really don't need to do all these crazy methods that everyone's talking about. So